Hello YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be covering a few changes that I made to my KO exhaust system on my 2024 Ninja 500. So the exhaust system comes basically with the can, this silver pipe. It will come with a bracket that is about that big for mounting it, and it will come with these pure silver springs. I wanted to change that up a bit, so first I found this blued pipe. So this is the exact same pipe that goes here. It was a 51 millimeter, but it was blued. See, it goes all the way down. And then the springs I bought on Amazon, and they are blued on the ends. I think they actually look a little bit neater. And then for the band, this is the stock band, the one that came with the bike, and it was, or I'm sorry, with the exhaust, and it is just silver. And I found these, which are kind of coated or maybe wrapped in a carbon fiber look. Probably hydro dipped, I'm not 100%. And they are silver on the inside, as you can see, but on the outside they are more of a black or a carbon fiber look. And then this bracket, this is the one that came with it. And as you see, it had to come way out here. It was way too big. So I ordered a smaller one, which you can get these on Amazon. And it took it in some, but I still wasn't happy with it because it was silver. So I bought this, and this is actually off for a Honda CR series. And it's just the right dimension, just the right length, and made everything kind of flow together as it's all black. And then the bolts, I bought a set of bolts a long time ago. I don't remember what all sizes came with it, but you can buy those on Amazon or on eBay. And just kind of finished it off and took a bunch of that silver off the bike. So there it is. Like I said, I found this on Temu. I don't know if they were anywhere else. I haven't researched it, but Temu has them, and it said 51 millimeter for Kawasaki 400, I believe. The springs I bought on Amazon. The bracket, the band, I've seen those on both Amazon and eBay, and it's an 89 millimeter exhaust hanger bracket. I can't remember exactly what it was. And then that piece was for Honda CR series. So anyway, just on the bike itself, I think it looks better. It took a lot of that silver out of there, and I think it just made the bike look better. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.